Hey, what's going on everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to remove both outer taillights on my Mk6 Volkswagen GTI. They offer this body style between the years of 2010 and 2014. This process is identical for both sides, so whatever I show you on one side, just apply it to the other. Go ahead and open the rear hatch. Right now I'm looking at the driver's side taillight, and basically what we need to do is gain access to this knurl screw that's behind right here. So what we have to do is we just have to pull down right here, and we just need to gain access to that right there. Once you gain access to that, you're just going to twist that lefty-loosey and disconnect that connector. Now it may stick a little, but what you want to do is you want to put your left hand right here and your right hand over here, and you just want to pull. And then it comes off the car. So looking at the back side of the taillight, you'll see this foam right here, and that is what actually keeps water out of the vehicle. So if you're reusing this taillight, you might just want to scrape off some of that dirt. Be careful not to damage the foam. Also, what I'll do before putting it back in is I'll just clean up the dirt around that area, and that way it just makes sure that there's a good seal so that I don't have any water leaks. Once the taillight's in place, you're going to take your screw and you're going to put it right back in that hole, and you're going to tighten it all the way down. Once that's tightened down, go ahead and reconnect your connector, and then what you're going to do is you're going to feed this back behind that trim panel right there just until it looks nice and neat. Make sure it's flush all the way right here and down here behind the trim panels. And that is it, not much to it. As always, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Please hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments, let's keep it going. Till next time guys, peace.